When you open the Unity Hub, you'll end up with a screen that looks something like this. We can go to projects. We can make a new project. The main thing here is there's one that's called Universal 2D. That's the one we want. And then project name. Cool, and I can go create project. What it's going to do, it's going to open up the Unity engine. It'll take a minute to open up. Great, so we've got our scenes at the moment. We've got a sample scene, so we need to load one up. So we go to Assets, Import Package, Custom Package, and then you'll find there's the folder called Game Design. And in Template, we can click on Nico's Template, Open, and it will bring this menu here in, and then we can go Import. Now we'll see that we don't just have sample scene, we have main scene. If I double click on that, it's going to show me the game here. Now with this one here, to be able to follow the character around, I need to go to Cinema Machine Camera, and under Window, Package Management, I'll go to Package Manager. In here, we've got the Unity registry, and if I just type Cine, it'll come up with Cinema Machine, and I just need to install that. Great, I can close that, and you can see that everything focuses in on our main character. Now down here we have scripts, so we've got these little bullet things, and what you'll find, or these little things, is that if you play it, it won't pick these things up. If we go to our scripts, it's this one here called the... Okay, so if I click on the collectibles, and I have a look at this, it's somewhere here it's going to have the thing saying that it's looking for something called player. So if I go to my player, I'll find that it doesn't actually have anything here under the layer. So I need to add layer. This is just to give it a name. I'll go to user player 3, and it's type sensitive, so I'll type player with a capital P. So I've got that. Okay, and if I come to player here, you'll see now that it has that layer. So it shows that up rather than nothing, and you can see it's highlighted here. So now it's actually going to be affected by those collectibles. I can actually hit play. And I can use my arrow keys. The space bar is going to be jump. You can kind of double jump. It'll now pick up those collectibles, and I can hit the baddies as well. So once I collect all of these, which I think is 5, then the pattern will end. So that's the basic setup to get things sorted, and now we can start bringing in our sprites and replacing these things in the game.